Explore a great man's biography in minutes. William Shakespeare. He is widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's preeminent dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and nicknamed the Bard of Avon. He was born on April 23, 1564, in Stratford-upon-Avon, Warwickshire, England. His father's name was John Shakespeare, and his mother's name was Mary Arden. His father was a successful local businessman, and his mother was the daughter of a landowner. Shakespeare was the third son of his parents and was baptized on April 26, 1564. Little is known of Shakespeare's childhood and education, but it is speculated that he attended the King's New School in Stratford, where he learned to read and write. Since all grammar schools at that time followed the same curriculum, it is believed that he received an intensive education in grammar based on Latin classical authors. Shakespeare married Anne Hathaway at the age of 18 in 1582, she was 8 years older than him. They had 3 children, Susanna Hall, Hamnet Shakespeare, and Judith Queen. William Shakespeare has been honored with the title of England's national poet and Bard of Avon, though it is not exactly known when he began his writing career. Records of performances show that his plays started to feature on the London stage by 1592. Scholars refer to the years between 1585 and 1592 as Shakespeare's lost years. In the 1592 London theatre scene, Shakespeare's writings were called rubbish by another playwright, who later documented his biography. Shakespeare's plays were solely performed by the Lord Chamberlain's Company in 1594, of which he himself was one of the actors. After Queen Elizabeth I died, the new King James I issued a royal patent to the company, and it was renamed the King's Men. By 1598, William Shakespeare's name appeared on the title page of his works. By 1599, Shakespeare's works were famous all over the globe. He continued writing until at least 1613, having written 38 dramas, 154 sonnets, and 2 long poems. His best-known works include Hamlet, Othello, Romeo and Juliet, Julius Caesar, and Macbeth. Talking about the style that Shakespeare adopted for his work, he was extremely innovative. He adapted the traditional and conventional style in his own way by adding metaphors and rhetorical phrases. However, the additions hardly ever aligned with the plot or the characters of the story. He died on April 23, 1616, at the age of 52 in his hometown. He passed away within a month of signing his will, a document in which he begins by describing himself as being in perfect health. In his will, Shakespeare left the bulk of his large estate to his elder daughter, Susanna.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.